friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see now on the screen, Hedera Hashgraph, what's the price changes, what's the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour. I'm telling you the live result of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. So before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. If you listen to my voice, please don't ignore my words and click the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for your support. I know you have subscribed my channel. Now let's see what the price changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour. Let's see the price changes of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. So first of all, we see the last hour result of Hedera Hashgraph. After that, we look the 2 hour result of Hedera Hashgraph. Absolutely, as you are watching now on the screen, so the graph tells us that the Hedera Hashgraph falls down. Oh my god, oh my god. I never think about that the Hedera Hashgraph falls in the last 1 hour. What's going Hedera holder, please, what's your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph at this period, why they are falling down? Please share your opinion in the comment box why Hedera Hashgraph falls down. If we look the changes of Hedera Hashgraph, so it is about negative 0.8% occurs in the last 1 hour of Hedera Hashgraph change. Absolutely not very bad, but bad for all Hedera Hashgraph because they are in negative. If we see the high price of Hedera Hashgraph, so it is about $0.410467 is about the price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. That is the live price changes occurred in Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour. Now let's see what's the change occurred in the last previous 2 hour. What's the price? What's the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 2 hour? Let's see on the screen. Oh my god, as you can see here, nothing say about Hedera Hashgraph luck. As you can see here, it's depend on your luck. If you earn money from cryptocurrency, so it's depend on your luck. As you can see here, in the second they fall down, in the second they upward. As you can see, and the second their dumping time start, in the second their jumping time start. As you can see, the Hedera Hashgraph time, the Hedera Hashgraph graph tell us that it's depend on your luck. If you are lucky, then the Hedera Hashgraph grows up, then the Hedera Hashgraph jumping time starts now. But currently, if we look the changes of Hedera Hashgraph, so the changes of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous 2 hours is about 0.47% occur changes in Hedera Hashgraph in the last hour. If we look the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, so I think it's a good amount. $0.411409 is the high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 2 hours. So that is the live price changes occur in the last 1 hour. In the last 2 hours, you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. So if you want this kind of video, please hit the subscribe button and also press the like button for my support. Thank you so much for watching this video.